And we begin tonight in Arvada, where 3 police officers are facing a civil rights lawsuit on claims they beat a man senseless without reason. Good evening and thanks for watching Denver 7. I'm Ann Trujillo.
And I'm Shannon Ogden. Much of what happened here was not caught on video. And in cases like these, they tend to come down to who has the more believable story.
But a jury has already seen this case play out once, and they seem to believe the man who was on the receiving end of the beating over the officers doing it. Denver 7's Jason Grenauer reports.
The pictures show the aftermath.
An Arvada Police Department officer beat the holy hell out of Travis Cook for absolutely no reason.
February 2018, Arvada police were called to deal with a loud argument between Travis Cook and his girlfriend.
Mr. Cook was sitting in a chair, was told he was going to be arrested, and then gets punched in the face.
Why were you? I need you to back up. He elbowed me in my chin.
By this officer, Brandon Valdez, who claims he was struck in the face by an elbow from Cook.
The problem is there are 2 independent witnesses who both saw the entire incident start to finish, and the elbow simply never happened.
Arvada police do not wear body cameras. Cook was charged with assault on the officer and resisting arrest. A jury found him not guilty of both, but guilty of obstruction of a peace officer, likely for this incident.
Hey, stop! Look at my face!
That amount of force is absolutely ridiculous.
Cook's attorney says through that force, his civil rights were violated, hence the lawsuit. Arvada police responded with a statement insisting that Cook resisted, so officers were required to use force to protect the alleged victim and take Mr. Cook into custody. But the legal complaint filed in federal court also alleges Officer Valdez has a troubling history, counting 21 prior incidents of potential excessive force in the 7 years leading up to the Cook incident. Valdez also pulled the trigger in an officer-involved shooting of a suicidal suspect just the month before. Arvada's statement did not address any of that officer's history, only the Cook case.
Under no circumstances is what he did justified.
In Arvada, I'm Jason Grenauer, Denver 7.